The best shade is broken. How sad. I want to smell it. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm so excited to be unboxing the March Glossybox. Glossybox is a beauty subscription service for $21 a month where you get 5 beauty items every single month. Particularly love Glossybox because I always get brands that I've never heard of and I would have never otherwise bought myself. I've discovered really great beauty products through this box, so I always love unboxing them. I do these every single month, so I will have my Glossybox playlist down below if you're interested in watching any more videos. I also do have a discount code with Glossybox. If you use it, you'll get your first box for $16 instead of $21, which I think is a great deal. I'll have it up on the screen and down below. I do want to let you know that it is an affiliate code, so I will make a little bit of a commission if you do decide to use it, but I highly recommend Glossybox because it is such a fun box to get. You kind of get a surprise every single month, and yeah, if you're new here, I hope you'll subscribe. I do tons of videos just like this, and let's get into it. The theme this month, I believe, is Glossy Wonderland. Yeah, so you always get a little pamphlet kind of telling you what's in the box, and we get 5 beauty items every single month. So let's see what we got this month. I'm so excited. Oh, there's a huge product in here. Okay, I'll get to that in a second because I kind of like to go in order of what's listed in my pamphlet just because, I don't know, I'm weird. We have the Estate Cosmetics Just a Taste eyeshadow palette. So this is a duo, an eyeshadow duo. We have gotten Estate eyeshadows before, I'm pretty sure. I'm almost positive, and I do really like the quality. I just love these little tiny palettes because they're super travel friendly. So this is a full-size product even though it's a duo, and it is worth $14. Oh, it's a quad. Oh, one's broken. The best shade is broken. How sad. I wish I had known there would be eyeshadow in here because I would have done like a look with this. My purple's broken. I'm so sad. That shade is so buttery and smooth and gorgeous and perfect for spring. I just freaking love purple eyeshadow. Like, you don't understand. So that's really exciting. So this is $14. And I love Glossybox because you always get way more value than obviously what you're paying for. I will definitely let you guys know how I feel about this in a future video because I will definitely be using it. I love the purple. It's so pretty. I love that we get eyeshadow. A lot of times Glossybox is a little bit more skincare focused, which is not like an issue with me. I love trying new skincare. So next up we have a hand cream. Oh my gosh, I always need a hand cream, and I love Glossybox because we always get a hand cream. It's not every month, but like quite often we do get, and I always use hand cream because my hands are always so dry, especially in the winter. Thank God we're in spring already, but my hands are just always so dry. So this is a full size. It's from the brand called Mercy Handy. So it says, boasting a magical whipped texture, this lightweight cream from French brand Mercy Handy will leave your hands feeling softer and more hydrated with sweet almond oil and shea butter to nourish and repair. This full size is $7. I want to smell it. That's always what I do with a hand cream. Honestly, my favorite hand cream right now is the Bum Bum, the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum hand cream. Freaking love that smell. I know a lot of people find that too strong. Oh, this is really subtle. It's kind of sweet, but not too sweet. Oh my gosh. It is so nice. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it. And then we have this big boy here. This is from Farm RX. So this is the Super Greens Cooling Gel. I guess this is a moisturizer. Cool. It's huge.
That's what she said.
This is ginormous. So it looks like this. It says it's formulated with super nutrients like broccoli sprouts, Brussels sprouts, moringa oil, and green tea, hello vitamins and antioxidants. This lightweight moisturizer is designed to keep skin looking softer, brighter, and healthier. Dewy skin it is. Ooh, I have dry skin, so I always need something super hydrating like this. I remember using something it doesn't smell like vegetables, in case you're wondering. Thank God. It has a very fresh scent. I do remember using a moisturizer very similar in texture and even color when I first got into skincare like a long time ago, like 15 years ago at this point. That's a long time ago. This is a full-size product and it's $37. How exciting. That's a really great value right there already. Then we have from Model Co. This is the Highlighting Shimmer Whip. This is a full-size product for $20 as well. This is your secret weapon for highlighting and adding luster to your skin. The lightweight liquid illuminator glides onto your skin effortlessly, leaving you looking radiant and healthy. Use your fingers to melt the product into your skin for easy application. So this is in the shade Champagne, so I think it'll match a very nice variety of skin tones. Man, my skin looks good today. I'm wearing one of my favorite foundations of all time. I was just looking at myself. I was gonna apply some, but I feel like I'm a little already shiny, so oh God, I put too much. This is probably a really nice like one and done eyeshadow as well. If you think it might be a little too deep for you, like you could use this as a liquid eyeshadow and it would look so pretty. That is gorgeous though. Look at that. It gives a really nice like sheen to the skin. I bet it looks super pretty on the cheekbones. So very exciting. And then the fifth and last item we have is from Luxie. Ooh, I love Luxie brushes. Okay, so on my little card, it actually says I received the 205 tapered blending brush, but this is actually the 504 large angled brush. I'm not so sure how much of a price difference there is, but this one's $15. The one on the card is $15. I'm actually excited that I got something like this because I've actually never tried Luxie face brushes. I've only tried their eye brushes, and I'm a fan. I'm a fan of the bristles. They're really soft and the quality seems to be there. So honestly, if I read this, it's not even going to make sense because it talks about like, you know, blending colors into the crease. So yeah, okay, I'm really happy with this. Let me go ahead and total everything up so you guys can see the value of this box, which you'll know is way more than $21. The value of this month's box is actually $99. I think that's one of the biggest values I've seen. This is actually $21. I looked it up, the actual retail price of this angled brush, so it's a little bit more than the tapered brush, but oh my gosh, that's such a great value for only paying $21 a month. I think this box is so worth it. It's so much fun to receive products that you wouldn't normally buy yourself. They also make really great gifts. Mother's Day is coming up. If there's a mom in your life that you think would like love a beauty subscription box, maybe get her like 3 months of Glossybox and see how she likes it, and then she can continue it herself. Subscription boxes make the best gifts. Anyway, I am really happy with this box. I'm most excited for this little eyeshadow quad. I'm so excited to like use that purple shade. It's so pretty. And I'm also excited to try out this moisturizer. I think it seems really nice. Everything's nice. All right, I'm gonna stop talking. Let me know if you subscribe to Glossybox and what you got in your box this month, because I would love to know. And yeah, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Let me know if you subscribe to Let me know if you subscribe to Glossybox